We're here in sunny Bradford-on-Avon at WDF Valeting and Detailing, which is on site here at 5 Zeros Supercars. We decided to grab something and do a step-by-step video on how to clean it. And here we have this incredible Alfa, which is absolutely savage. It's wide body, Stelvio, it's mental. So we're going to do a step-by-step video on how to clean this savage Alfa. We always start with the wheels when we come to washing a vehicle. I have Sonex Beast wheel cleaner, which is a bit of a beast, and I'm going to apply this all around the wheels. Make sure I get a nice even coverage, get in the barrels. And this contains complexing agent, which will basically, what you would see is a fallout remover, so it will turn purple as it reacts with the brake dust. It's quite thick, so as you can see, it's more like a gel, which gives it a long cling time, which gives it a longer working time, which is what makes the cleaning power so good. Now it's time to agitate, and I have a matching bucket. You've got to have a matching bucket. The wheels are clean now. The Beast made that a lot easier on these intricate wheels, so I'm glad of that. Now we move on to the next step, which is snow foaming, which is obviously a safe way of pre-washing the vehicle. It removes any light unbonded contaminants or heavier contaminants which are on the paintwork, which should stop or prevent scratching during the contact wash. This is Active Foam Energy, which its party trick is you only need 50 ml. It's super concentrated. 50 ml in the snow foam lance, the rest water, and you'll have amazing thick foam. Got my foam, got my lance, let's do this. So that's the snow foaming done. That's removed all the heavier contaminants off of it, and as you can see, it already looks much better. So now we're going to go in with the contact wash, and we have our gloss shampoo. This is it obviously in a 5 litre. We also do this in 1 litre if you don't want to have so much of it. So it's safe for coatings, it's dermatologically tested, it's skin safe. You can even shower in this if you like, it's that safe. So we're going to get this in a bucket. It's highly concentrated, so again you only need 100 ml per bucket for super slick sluds.
Please remain seated.
Right, so the contact wash is done. Went round obviously with our gloss shampoo. We just went around with foam and seal to give it some protection. You can see from the really cool beading shots, has amazing beading effect. Wheels just going around with a blower to blow off most of the water, and then we'll get it in and towel dry it. So it's all dried off, looking nice. I'm just going to go around with some Brilliant Shine Detailer, which is fantastic. If you've ever used it, you'll know. If you don't, try it. This is just going to remove any little watermarks and any bit left over here and there, or any drips, and give it the Sonex shine.